Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at these little hand warmers. We'll do a quick unboxing to show you exactly what you'd be getting. I'll show you how they work, and then I'll give you my honest review. Okay, so let's open this up and see what's inside. All right, so first thing out of the box is the charging cable. And what I love about this is that you can charge up both hand warmers at the same time while just using one USB port. Okay, let's take the hand warmers out of the plastic. And this is what they look like. They have a simple but sleek design. They're about the size of a small computer mouse. These are very light, so it shouldn't add much extra weight to your pockets or your purse. These are easy to operate. You just press the power button for a couple of seconds and you'll see a red dot light up. This is the lowest temperature, which heats up from about 95 to 107 degrees Fahrenheit. If you push the power button again, you'll be at the mid-level, which heats up from 104 to 118 degrees. And pressing once more will get you 3 red lights, which heats this up from around 118 to 131 degrees. I love that these get hot pretty quick. These have just been on for a few seconds and already I'm feeling the heat. You can also connect these. They just snap together so that you can hold these in one hand and heat up both your palms and your fingers at the same time. I like being able to snap them together so that they stay together and it's less likely that you'll lose one. So that's a plus for me. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with these. They heat up fast and they get really hot. I'd highly recommend these if you're looking to keep your hands warm this winter season.